Hi, I am Tanisha Taylor, and I'll be doing a review on Module 1. I'll be summarizing both videos and also the book that was required in this module. The first video was Waiting on Superman. In this video, it outlined how American school system seem to be failing in comparison to 30 other major countries. They were ranked 25th in math and 21 in science. The second video was Race to Nowhere. In this video, it showed how the children are pressured to perform and not enough emphasis is placed on them critically thinking. The book was called Author in the Classroom. In this book, it touched on the theories of how children learn. One such is the constructivist or the feminist. That's another one. The feminist is another theory. It also touched on several education like bilingual education and the unbiased education. It pulled on our biases. It's outlined what oppression is and ways in which we can overcome these obstacles and cause us to be more humane. One of the things that stood out to me in the book was when it asked me to reflect on the first time that I thought that I was different. And it pulled on a lot of things in terms of what caused me to feel that way. And I put myself now in some of these kids' position where they're coming in a classroom where, especially if they're speaking another language, they now see themselves as being different. The book also emphasizes that, listen, we were not born into this world having biases or prejudices. It was something that was taught. And it showed us ways, as I said before, to alleviate these obstacles and to bring us all together. One of the things about actually two videos, is that it intertwined with how I was thinking in terms of the education system. I do believe that the education system is somewhat failing our children. I think the emphasis on not actually teaching in depth is causing our children to not want to learn, so to speak. It's more based on testing, data collection. One of the questions that I ask is, when do we actually get the chance to teach? When do we get the chance to sit and get the child to where they're at? It's like a race against time. And I think that there's a lot of things that can be revamped, and the government can change a lot of things about our education system, because as the video had outlined, is like there are so many children that are going into school and few are graduating, which means that something is wrong. We're losing them along the way. And I do believe that if we can get to that point where we can understand each child, where they're coming from, and we can love them where they're at and bring them to the point where they want to be, we'll see more children graduating and becoming what they want to be, because every child has a dream. Every child dreams to be a nurse, a doctor, but somewhere along the line we lose them and that dream is gone. What is happening? What can we do better? That's my view on the whole module. That's my view on the chapter. And one of the things that the chapter said, what the book said, is that all child want to be loved. We are born into this world wanting to be loved. So as educators, if we're able to go a little extra mile to love that child that seem unlovable, to reach that child that seem unreachable, maybe, just maybe, we are able to change something in the system. Thank you for watching.